Question 1 and 2.
Okay.
One and 2. Okay. Your answer is number 2, right? Okay, what's your answer, Zaira? Number 1. Okay, hey, come on, this question you all cannot get it wrong. So question number 1. What about Shafika and Ryan? What's your answer?
Number two is
3.
number 2 is 1.
Number 1, 3.
Number 1 is
3,
2.
A.
Oh, number 1 is 3.
Okay, so number 1, Raihana, you say 3. Shafika, you say?
3.
Shafika, what's your answer for number 1?
3.
2.
3.
2. 3.
3.
For Zahira? Okay, yeah, thanks. Zahira, 1 or 2? 1. 2. 2% says 2, 1% says 2% says 3. Now, come on, you all know how to do this question. It cannot be, you have just, 2 of you have just thrown away marks. Beside here is ones, then tens, and then hundreds. So the answer is number 3. Correct? No? Sophia and Zahira, can see not? 7.6 ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So this is 100. Sorry, you cannot see the?
Your screen.
Cannot see. Can see, yeah? Can you see my screen? What about now?
Not
Can you see
there.
my screen? No. Question paper is
I want to see question 2.
Please do not throw away the marks. Okay, think through, Gary. Just give me 1 second. What is this? Ya Allah. Why is this coming out at the wrong time? What is all this? Okay. Okay. It's a new laptop, that's why I'm having some issues now. Zafia, what's the answer? 1.
4. Number 2, 4.
Sophia?
I haven't do. Number 2, 4.
Number 1. Okay. Zahira and Raihana.
Wait, my answer is 4. My answer is 4.
Hey, you see? Which
No,
one?
because
Sophia?
because right 0.050 is
Answer is number 2.
50 cent, right?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we are waiting for one more person. Zahira? And this type of questions you cannot get wrong. If you get wrong, I do not know what to say. All I can say is you are just careless. Zahira? Too long, Zahira. Too long. Okay, we...
This one have to do long division, right?
You can do long division, you can do a few ways. Okay, Zahira, what's the answer, Zahira? Not yet. Okay, so let us look. Those of you say the answer is 2 cents. What you did is you take the bigger number, divide by smaller number. Don't do that. Don't take bigger number, divide by smaller number. Ask yourself, let's say you got 2 ice cream and you buy for $4. What is 1 ice cream? So you take money, divide by number. Remember that. Money, divide by number. So down here now, 1 stamp is money is 15 divided by number. You reduce, you divide by 5, you get 3. Divide by 5, you get 6. Can divide somehow, divide by 3, get 1. Divide by 3, get 2. You get half a dollar. Half a dollar is not 5 cents, it's 50 cents. Simple. If you get confused, change this then to cents. 30 stamps is how much? $15, right? 1500 cents. If you get confused, then you can take one stamp. Take one stamp. Very simple. Take 1500 divided by 30. Cancel, cancel. 15 divided by 3, 5. Add 50 cents. Now, please, you must be able to check. If you say the answer is number 1, you can just check what the answer is. You let's say now 5 cents. You say 1 is 5 cents. Okay. You times by 30, how much you get? 5 times 3, 150 cents. It's $1.50. Cannot be, because it's $15. That means you're not checking. You're not. Hey, ladies, if you are getting wrong in the first 2 questions, you are just throwing marks away. I do not know how to help you if you throw marks away. Okay, let's try question number 3. There means some of you may have gotten wrong for the first 2 questions. Let us move on to the next one now. The answer is 50 cents. 50 cents. If you're still not sure, look, 50 cents, how do you do? Take the money minus divided 30 stamps is $15. Take 1 stamp, money $15, divide by 30. You get half. Half what? Half dollar. Half dollar is 50 cents. Okay? You must be able to see this. Rahana, okay, Rahana? Rahana, okay, Rahana?
Yes.
Yes, okay, now we do the next one. Now these are all simple. First question 1 to 5 is simple questions, so please don't get it wrong. Now down here you say you might not have done a pie chart, but this is more a percentage question. Okay, I just explained something to you. The whole thing here will add up to 100%. The whole thing add up to 100%. So you tell me now, this is 40%, 20%, car 10%. How much must this be? This must be
30.
Okay. So you know how to do already. So they ask you to find the ratio of number of students who walk to school to the number of students who take by bus.
20 is to 30. So 2 is to 3. So is it number 3?
So you say answer number 3, Zahira? Shafika? Rahana?
Answer 3.
3, okay. Second person to say the answer is number 3. Shafika and Rahana, Zahira, sorry. Shafika and Zahira.
We go up first.
Yeah, we are not going out or up, either one. So you realize that pie chart is not so tough. It's actually not so tough. Zahira? One minute left.
Number 3.
Number 3. So what was Zahira? Can you get number 3? Okay. So as what Miss Sophia says, this is 20%. This one will be, you add all this is 70%, must be 30%. So 100%. So this 20% is to 30%. 2 is to 3, and number 3 is correct. Okay, we'll move on. Nets you're not doing. Nets not doing, so we remove that. The next one now. Okay, next one here. Now,
Mr. Shaheed, this one big number
yes.
minus small number, right?
Take any 2 points, find the difference, then divide by the number of parts.
Number 4.
Number 4, says Shafika. Let's see. 4 says Zahira. Raihana? Okay, thank you. All right, Raihana, what about you? Are you there? So everyone says number 4. I'm going to see whether it's correct. Okay. Now, take any two numbers minus each other. If this one is 6.1, you can take these two, up to you. You want this one can also. But whatever is easy. So this 6.0 minus 5.9, you get 0.1. Count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.1 divided by 5. You do not know how to divide, never mind. Shift here becomes 10.
0 point.
Then shift here, sorry, shifts are not becomes 10. Sorry, you shift here becomes 1, right? 0.1 divided by how many? Divided by 5. Okay, we do it this way. 1 over 10 divided by 5 over 1. 5 is 5 over 1. Okay. 0.1 is 1 over 10. So it's 1 over 10 times 5 over
No, times 1 over 5.
times 1 over 5. So, astaghfirullah, if something is wrong here. Something is wrong. Okay, let's see. So now you get 5 over 10. Half. Something is wrong. Anyone can spot my error now? Did I copy it correctly? No.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
Your that one is 1 over 10 times 1 over 5.
Okay, 1 over 10 times 1 over 5.
1.0
Yeah.
divided by 5 is 0.02.
Yes, correct. 1, okay. 5 over 1, 1 over 5, yes. So 1 over 50. Yes, correct. 1 over 50, correct. Okay, correct. Well done. Thanks for showing me. Okay, down here, correct. I'll just show you again. This one you need to flip. Okay. So 1 times 1 get 1. 10 times 5 is 50. Then you times this by 2, times this by 2, get 2 over 100. 2 over 100 is 0.02. So watch, you add 0.02. 5.9 plus 0.02. 5.92. So this one is 5.92. Then the next one, 5.94. Then 5.96. 5.98. And then 6.0 or 6. 6.02 this one. 6.04. 6.06. Okay, so the answer is 6.06. Okay, we'll do some extra questions later. If you don't get it right, we have to do some extra questions here. Okay, the next one. You try this one. No using calculator. I must have got blur one.
The answer is 1.
Your answer is 1. Let us see. Okay, maybe we'll check in a moment. Are you doing mentally, miss? You're doing mentally?
Yeah.
Just be careful, okay? When you're doing exam time, please don't do
Number 1.
Number 1 also. Well done. Let's see, anyone else? All can get 1.
Is the answer 1?
Yeah, we're waiting for the rest. I'm not saying yet. What about you, Raihana and Zahira? Raihana and Zahira. Zahira, how? This part equilateral, Zahira. Can see now. You can follow this. They ask you to find ABE, which is this angle here. ABE. Rahana, are you there?
Yes.
You know how to do this one? Now,
Let's
it's
see
tougher,
the just now one.
the question.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Because you cannot touch the paper, it becomes a little bit tougher. But trust me, you can do it. You can do it.
One is number one.
Number one. Rayana, what about you? Rayana?
Number one.
Number one. Okay. So very simple. Now here, this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Because equilateral. Now you have now two angles with that are parallel. Two triangles, two lines that are parallel. These two here will add up to 180 degrees. So let's find this angle. 180 minus 68 equals to 112. Then 112 minus 60. So you get 52. Okay, well done to Miss all of you, and especially to Sophia, who can do it mentally. Yeah? So we applaud her for that. Now let us try the top one. Sophia, we're back in again now, Sophia. They want you to round off first. Round off. Round off to the nearest whole number. Okay, anyone? Anyone? Anyone?
Four.
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 2, 4. Sophia? Thank you, Zaira. Rayana?
Four.
4. Sophia? You don't need to calculate exactly, just round off first. It's over here. If you want to do, Sophia, can we do together? You give up, Sophia. Don't give up. First thing you need to do is convert to the nearest whole number. So what to do? Hey, please look here. What's the nearest whole number? Look at the ones. So this one becomes 29 or 30?
30.
30 plus this one becomes
60. 60.
60 times this one becomes, look at the one on here,
10.
10. So what do you do first, plus or times?
Oh.
What do you do,
60
plus or
times
times?
10.
600
600.
plus 30 equals
630.
to 630. Hey, come on, you guys cannot get this wrong. These are marks they're giving you. You must be able to do this. It's quite simple, Shafika. Yeah, yours is
Because
correct,
just now
Zara.
I calculate
Betul ada.
first.
I take the whole thing after I drown now.
You run, yeah. You take the whole thing, you run out. You find the answer. Okay, let us look at what the question says. The question, you must read the question carefully, okay? The question says this very clearly. It says round off to the nearest whole number first. You are supposed to do that first. Then you estimate the value. If you all were doing 29 point something, you got 9.87 times 60.4, that is going to be a very long time, right? But so you see what they say. Round off first, then you estimate. So you round off, you round off, you round off. Okay, never mind. You move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Oh, where is it? Okay. Okay, this one.
630.
Yeah, 630. Are you okay? You disagree or something? No, right?
No.
Okay. So which one of the following fractions is nearest to half? We have done this before. Which one of the following fractions is nearest to half?
The smallest
One.
the smallest denominator is, oh my god.
The smallest denominator
The
is,
smallest denominator is the biggest number, right?
yeah, a bigger part. Okay, one person say one, the other one say four.
Wait. So the smallest denominator is the biggest number.
No, it really depends. The smallest denominator down here. Okay, I just show you again. If you have now 3 over 4 and 3 over 10, number on top the same. The bottom, this is smaller. Yes, this is bigger. Why? Because this is 3/4, big 3 parts. Down here now is 3 small parts. You divide into 10 parts, right? Let's say like that, something like that. So there's only 3 parts here. So yes, if the bottom is smaller, both on top the same, this is bigger. But both must be the same. If let's say you say like that, you cannot say this is bigger because they're not the same. Must be the same and bigger. Okay, I will show you the question again. Be careful, all right? Be careful, okay? These questions are all giveaway questions. Giveaway questions. There's a way to find out nearest to half.
Answer is number 2.
Number 2. Okay, one person says number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3. One person says number 3.
Number 10 itu dulu.
Yeah, you need to do number 10. But you must know, later you must see number 9, how to do this one, number 9. Number 9, already we know one of the two answers is not correct, so it can only be one correct answer. So let us.
So number 9 is number 1. Number 10 is number 3.
Number 10, so this one number 1, you say.
3.
Shafika, 3.
10, 3.
Number 9,
I tell you what?
what is it?
4.
4. Then Sophia, what's the answer for number 9? Sophia?
1.
1. So 2 persons say 1. So let us look. Okay, please, girls, please look down here. Raihana, Shafika, look carefully here, and Zahira. One way to find out is to take. Okay, we try to minus 3, 4 by half. Okay, we minus, then you get how much? 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 is equals to 1 over 4. So the difference between 3 over 4 and half is 1 over 4. I'm just going to write it down here. The difference is 1/4. You must focus, hey, girls, you must focus because none of you got this correct. All of you got it wrong. If you're not going to listen, you will not learn. You're just wasting your time down here for this tuition. Next one. Down here, we take 3 over 5 minus 1. We can minus half again, and we can minus half, you see. Okay? 3 over 5 minus half. What do you get? You got to times this by 2, you got to times this by 5, got to times this by 5, got to times this by 2. 6 over 10 minus 5 over 10 equals to 1 over 10. Am I correct? 6. So this one now is 1 over 10. Okay. So now the next one. The next one, you cannot take 3, 7 minus half. Why? Because half is bigger than 3 over 7. If you don't believe, let us times this by 2, times this by 2, times this by 7, times this by 7. What do we get? 6 over 7 minus...
No, 6 over 14.
6 over 14. Sorry. Thank you so much. Minus 7 over 14. Cannot, right? So we switch the place. We switch 7 over 14 minus 6 over 14. You get 1 over 14. This is 1 over 14. The difference between half. This one is bigger than this. This one is, of course, bigger than this. Now the last one. Three over 8 minus half. You cannot minus because 4 over 8 is half. You times by 4, times by 4, you get 4 over 8. So do it the other way around. 4 over 8 minus 3 over 8. You get 1 over 8. So the difference between 3 over 8 and half is 1 over 8. So this is not the answer. Why? Because this is the smallest. Do you understand what I'm doing?
That one 4 minus 3.
4 minus, because, okay, I draw for you. Down here now, this is 3/4 like that. It's bigger than half. Half is like that. So to find the difference, we take 3/4 minus half. You will get 1/4 like this. This is the size, the difference. Can you see? Now down here now, we take 3 over 8. 3 over 8 is like this. So 1, 2, 3. Half is the whole thing, then. So you want to know the difference is actually this is the difference. Half is like that. So what I do, I cannot take 3/8 minus half because half is bigger than 3/8. What's the difference between this and 3/8? Is this part 1/8. 1/8 is half of this one. This is 2/8. 1/4 is 2/8. This one is 1/8. So this is nearer than 3/4. But let us see this one. And okay, this one, let's say now we come to this. You got 5 parts, huh? I do not know, are you all getting it? So now 3 out of 5, 1, 2, 3. So can you see this is this much, is more than half. More than half, you can take 3, 5 minus half. You should get 1/10. 1/10 is a very small part, 1/10. Let's say I draw, this is half. Now we draw 5 parts. Roughly like that. Is roughly like this. Is this part here? Is the smallest out of these 3, 1, 2, and 3 is the smallest. But this one now is 1/14, even smaller, the difference. So the difference between that and half, this is the answer. But I do not know whether you are getting it. So the answer is number 3, yeah? Answer is number 3. Now this one now. Please be careful with this, be careful with this. Now you notice that the PSLE paper is not difficult. But if you are careless, if you do it very fast, you think I know the answer, you might get stuck. You might get a simple question wrong. Okay? It's a little bit tricky. Okay, let's see.
Three.
3. Okay.
3.
3. All right.
Answer is 3.
Okay. Shafika can get 3?
Yeah, that's what I say.
Okay. So sorry. Okay. So I don't need to explain that. Congratulations. If you all got it, well done. If you need to draw, you can draw. No issue. Let me see. Okay. My apologies. This is a new laptop. I'm still getting used to it. Okay. Now. So it's not so tough. Okay. PSLE paper 1 is not so tough. Paper 2 is easier than prelim, but you must be careful. Okay. Anyone? Man, take your time, take your time. If you need to draw a model, please draw a model.
Number 4.
Number 4. You draw a model, Sophia? You draw.
Yes.
Can I see your model?
But very messy.
Never mind.
Okay. Wait. This one.
Okay, your model is good. Except Your first one is not correct.
First what?
Okay, your third piece is correct. Your model. Your third piece, the
Oh,
small
okay,
piece.
okay. Is it like
The
this?
first,
Is it like this?
yes. The first one was 3 times as long as the second piece. That's not 3 times, that's only 2 times. 3 times.
Oh,
Second piece is how many squares? Second piece.
2,
So what is 3 times of 2?
6.
You got to draw 6 squares, please.
Okay,
Because
done, I guess.
3. So what's your answer now? Your answer is really different. Yes, correct. So what's your answer?
Oh, okay.
Zahira, can you?
Answer
Your answer
number
is 2. Number
Same,
2,
same.
Shafika says. Same. Who says same? Zahira.
Shafika.
Rayana? Shafika, yes.
Number
What about
2.
Rayana? Number 2, okay. We will come to you in a moment. So Shafika, is the PSLE question easy or difficult for you? Shafika?
Huh?
Is it easy or difficult?
PSLE?
This is
Haven't taken
PSLE paper.
PSLE.
This
Answer
is
is 2.
PSLE paper. 2, okay, good. All
Oh,
of you
this
got 2,
one.
well, yeah, for this one. How is
Okay
it?
lah. Average.
Okay, this is question 11. Normally for prelim, the question 11 is quite tough, right?
Mr.
So
Shaheed.
now you're drawing.
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Wait, can I see the question again?
See the question. You're not finished yet.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Option.
Can I what?
Can I not tell you my prelim
Number
result?
2.
Yeah, it's okay. No need.
Is
Huh?
it number 2?
Number 2, well done. All of you got number 2. Congratulations. Just to further explain down here, they have now 1 piece, second piece, and the final piece. The final one is 1. This one is 2 times, so you draw 2. Then they say this one is 3 times. Don't draw 3 of this.
Then
It's
bring
3
me
times of
food.
the second. Right? So down here it goes up 3 times of this. So divide, you get 6 squares here. Altogether 9 squares, 9 units, 7.2. And then you divide 1 unit, you get 0.8. And then you want to find the second unit, you times by 2. 0.8 times 2, 1.6. But since you all are able to do it, this one. We will stop shortly. Be careful for this one. Not difficult, but it's not direct. You must understand the first part. What do they mean when they give a discount for $30? You must understand what they mean. How much did the person pay if it's $30?
How much did this person pay for $30?
So how much? She said every $30 got 5% discount, so $5 discount. So she will only pay $25. Every time when the price is reach $30, she'll pay 25.
Means if less than 30, don't have lah.
No, don't have. Yes. You must count how many $5 discount did she get. If you know that, you can find the answer. If you don't know that, you cannot find the answer. Okay, we will, while you are looking at this, it's 7:15, you can do your prayers and continue with this question. I'll leave the screen as it is. Okay? I'll leave the screen as it is. You can You can do this, Sophia. You can do this. I'm looking at you.
His answer 71.
71. How come? No, the what was the before the discount? The price must be more than 81. What was the price of the jacket before the discount? If before the discount is more cheaper, why must the person be paying $81? You understand? Before discount must be more expensive.
Before
So
discount is like.
let's say now I'm selling you this phone.
But
Originally,
then 81 plus 30 is 111.
Itu Shaheed.
no, cannot do it that way. Yes, what's the answer?
Teacher.
Shafika? Yes, Shafika, yes. Yes, Shafika.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, Shafika.
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we will stop now.
Cannot hear.
Oh, you cannot hear me? Why you cannot hear me? Why you cannot hear me? I think you alone. Sophia, can you hear me?
Cannot hear, cannot hear.
Only you cannot hear. Only I'll put a. Shafika, only you.
Can I solat first?
Yeah, come let's solve it first, okay? We all solve it together then. Only you cannot hear. Now then you can. Shafika, can you hear me now? Shafika, can you hear me? Shafika, can you hear me?
She go solat already.
Yeah, okay. Because you know she just logged in. Okay, now she goes solat. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go solat. I will share screen shortly. Or yours say the answer is 91. Because the answer 91 is the answer that students get tricked. Yes, you have been tricked. So let us see now. Let us see. $30, you pay $25 because you minus 5. Another $30, you pay $25 also. So now down here, if the price is $60, you only pay $50. Another $30. If the price is $90, you also get a 25% discount, which makes it $75. Can you see that? The price is 90 actually, but you only pay 75. If the price is 100, let's say now we go 100, another $30, makes it $120. Then you will only pay $100 because times 4. But we are going over the amount. They say that, what did they say? Let us look at the question. They say that she paid $81. So how to do this question? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. I'll show you how to do this question. You count the 25. Down here, she paid $81. So she must pay the first $25. Sorry, can you see that? Hold on. She must pay the first $25. She must pay the second $25. She must pay the third $25. This is already $75. You get $6 extra. The original $75, what is the price? We don't include this one. The original $75 is $90. The balance is $6. Add 90 to 6, you get 96. If you say the price is 91, let me show you what it means. 91, $91. Okay, you say the price, original price 91. We divide to $30, $60, $30, $90, and $1 down here. Down here, you don't pay $30, you only pay 25. Don't pay $30, you pay 25. You don't pay $30, you pay 25. And this one you pay $1. So total how much you pay? 20 plus 25 plus 25, 50, 75, $76. She will only pay $76 if it's $91. Do you get it? But she paid $81. So we go on a reverse. We go on a reverse here. Become how much she paid? 25. That means this. She paid 25 and she got $30. The original price is $30. She paid another 25, another $30. You must add to the price. She paid another 25, another $30, $90. So she paid 81. They say 81 minus 75, you get $6. So add 90 to the 6, you get 96. Hello, are you there? No one is listening now. No one is listening now. What is this? The last 2 months, huh? Zahira, you get it, Zahira. Zahira, you get it, Zahira.
Yes.
Zahira, you understand? So how can you understand? You're not listening. Shafika, can you get it? Shafika.
Did I get correct?
Shafika. You got wrong, ya Allah. I'm explaining to you how you get it wrong. That means you're not listening. Okay, one more time. Let's say now your answer is correct. 96. Okay, now let's see.
I know.
Now let's say you say the answer is 91. Look, 91, it means, what does it mean 91? Okay, I'll show you again. Okay, what does it mean if it's 91? That means you don't understand what I'm talking about. You must, this is Zoom, so Zoom, you got to be disciplined. In class, probably I can do something, come close to you, Zoom, you can easily do whatever you want. Now down here, 91 means we can divide $30, $30, $30, and $1. Correct? So 91, every $30, you only pay 25 because you get a $5 discount. This $30, you also get 25. This $30 also 25. And then this one, there's no discount. So you add, you get 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, plus 1, $76. You will pay $76 if the price is $91. So how to find, do the same thing. Let's say now, you have paid $76, but the original price is $91. How to get 91? Very simple. All 25 change to 30. Make it 30, make it 30, make it 30, this one. So 91. Do the same thing down here. Do the same thing down here. This she paid $81, correct? Okay, $81. She paid $81. Okay, so we go by this way. She paid 25 because original price is 30, 25, 25 is 75. Plus another 6 is 81. So original price is 30, 30, 30 plus 6, $96. Can see now. All these questions that you all cannot do, I have to create new questions for you, but it will be very similar to the PSLE question. But I propose, I hope you have a printer at home, you print out and then you try to do. Okay, we move on to the next question. Because now we are preparing for your exams now. This one, please don't get it wrong. Raihana, are you there, Raihana? I cannot hear you, Raihana. I cannot see you, Raihana.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Raihana. You sound very serious now. Okay, here we go. Mr. Lee traveled 2.8 km in a taxi from home to his office. Now, you must know how to do this type of question because your real taxi fare is based on things like this.
$400 is how many km?
0.4.
Oh, okay.
400 meters is 0.4 km. She asked me a question, so she said, how many? Okay.
Kilometer to meter must times 35.
First kilometer, you must minus. First kilometer, they will charge you 360, so you must minus the first kilometer.
I asked kilometer to meter must times 35.
Oh, kilometer to meter. From big unit, you change to small, you must times by 1,000. Right? It's like dollars to cents. Dollars is bigger than cents. You must times. You divide, become very small. You become small. Anybody? Shafika, you have gotten an answer. I can feel it. What's your answer? Because it's not here.
Three.
Can do it. Can. 3. All right. Raihana with the answer 3.
Answer is 4.
4 says.
Huh? What? Mr. Shaheed, what do you say?
What was Zahira? I didn't say anything. It was some other parent talking to one of your friends. And it's a lady's voice.
It was my
That means you
mother.
say I sound like a lady.
It was my mother.
Oh, I didn't say. Oh, your mother. Oh, sorry. Zahira and Shafika, do you notice that these questions are not as tough as your prelim papers? Prelim at question 11, 12, 13, 14 is very tough, right? It's not so tough. But they are not so direct also. You cannot find an answer too easily. You have to think, like it or not. I can see, Miss Sophia, while you are waiting for your friends, your answer is wrong, Sophia. Please try again. Come on, Sophia. You can do better than this, Sophia. You can do better than this.
Is answer number 2?
The answer number 2.
Answer number 2.
Answer is number 2. What about Shafika?
Same. Teacher, my answer number 2, but is it correct?
Same. Okay.
Is it correct?
Okay. We go through. We go through now. Okay. Now, he wanted to travel for 2.8 kilometers, right? Now, for the first kilometer is $3.60. So let's write the price down here.
What time I finish?
Yes. We finish in another half an hour, 8:15.
Okay.
Okay, I forgot to start. So now, down here, first 1 kilometer, 360. Now you minus that 1 kilometer, you get 1.8 kilometer left. Now this 1.8 kilometer, they count every 400 meters, which is 0.4 km. So 0.4 km, these two already becomes 0.8. You got 1.8, you know. So let us we add some more, 0.84 km. It's 1.2 already. 0.4 km, 1.6. We must go until 2 km. Why 2 km? Because this, when you reach here, is 1.6 km. Is not enough. If you look at the question gives you a clue. If you look at the question, oh my goodness, what is all this? Weather wants to. Now down here. You see, they say every 0.4 km or less. Every 400 meters or less. So let us see now down here. So down here, this is 1.6. From here, 4 units is 1.6. Still not enough. You got to go to 2 km. Why 2 km? Because 1.8 is more than 1.6, but less than 2 km. Sophia, you get it now, Sophia? Sophia must look here, Sophia. Okay, here we go now. Down here, you see here. So now it's 5. There's 5 0.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 units. So 5 units times, this is 22 cents. So 22 times 5, and you will get $1.10. So you plus $1.10 to 360, and you will get Raihana's answer. Congratulations, Miss Raihana, is 470. Now, can you explain to me what do you do so that I understand your method? How do you get 515, 514? Anyone? 3 of you. Okay, what do you do? Not Raihana. Raihana, you got it right. The rest, what do you do? Zahira, what do you do? How do you get 514?
I only plus 4 of that. I never plus another one. I only plus.
Then it should be less. Oh, you plus. Then it should be less, right?
No, I take 360 plus 0.22 plus 0.22 plus 0.22. 4 times.
Okay. 4 times. You see, 0.22, you times by 4, you get 0.88. If I add 0.88 down here, I plus, I get 4 plus 8, 4, 4.48, which is number 2. Oh, you got number 2, is it? You answer number 2. Okay. Sophia, how you get 514? How you get 514? While you're eating the ice cream, tell us. It's enjoyable, but how you get number 4? You guess
I just no. I add $3.60 plus oh my god. I go plus 0.4. I didn't do the $0.02. I mean 22 cents.
Okay. All right. So, okay, never mind. We will move on. Okay. So, trust me, you can do well for PSLE, but you got to be careful. If you're like this, you're not careful, then how are you going to score? All right. So, let us try your best. Try your best. Okay. While you're eating your fries, you can please try your best. Okay. Let's see here. Again, I'm sorry. Again, where is this one out here? Okay, this is the next one. Let me flip it for a while. Tools. I apologize. My printer, my scanner did not work too well. Now, for this one, when you do question 14, it's easier when you have a real paper with you. But now, yeah, you got to imagine lah. Okay, don't be tricked. It's not going to be too easy. You got to work out the angles. Please don't imagine they are same angles. Okay, please, they didn't tell you that. Be careful. Be careful.
Teacher, if they say QR equal to TR means
70.
This line is equal to this. So these two isosceles angles, triangle. This is isosceles. This one is also the same, but it doesn't mean that this is the same as this. Don't just say, oh, it looks the same. So Sophia says it's 70 lah for sure. Cannot say that. Don't take it easy. PSLE is out to trick you. The paper is out to trick you. You cannot assume.
No. I said RTQ is 70, right?
Yes, correct. This is correct. This is 70. Well done. So this one out here is 70. This one out here, 70.
Is the answer 3?
Answer is 3. Raihana loves this sort of question. 1 for Shafika. No, I'm not saying. One person say 1, the other one say 3. Let us see who's correct. We are waiting for Zahira and Sophia. Sophia, you say number 4, is it?
No. It must be like something minus 90 and then minus something, right? Because it's a square.
Yeah.
Hadap lah.
Is it?
Takut aku lah. No, you can try find. Have you tried to find out this angle here? This angle. Can you see my cursor? Have you tried finding out this angle?
Yeah.
What is this angle? What is the angle? How much?
That angle is 40.
Good. Then how much is this? This is what, square, no?
70.
That is
This is 90 degrees, right?
40.
90 degrees, right? This is 40. Oh, no, not 180 minus. Hey, hello.
That one
This is
45
a square.
45.
No, but they say this one is 40.
No, that
It's
is
not divided by
140.
2.
That one is it 40?
Yeah, 70 plus 70. Look, right, Zahira. 70 plus 70. This is 70 also, what? 70, 70, get 140. Then 180 minus 140, get 40 down here. This is a square.
By 2.
You divide by 2. But your answer is correct, but you have gotten it.
Wrong method.
Okay, let us see.
Divide by
Let's see.
2 equal to 45.
Wrong method.
70.
45, but you cannot divide by 2. Okay, so we are going to draw this.
Mr. Shaheed,
We have to draw this.
Mr. Shaheed, when I'm able to, right?
Yes.
I got the answer
Yeah.
correct, and then
Yeah,
but
working wrong.
then I used the wrong method.
Then how?
Then I got
don't
wrong.
give you marks? Wrong lah, that's why. But for MCQ, you can get it right. Because they
Yeah.
don't check your working for MCQ, right? So
Oh, really?
MCQ, so in this case, Raihana got it right. I thought she got it right, but she got it by luck. But it's okay. All right, for this one. Okay, so now let us look at this screen now. Okay. Now, Zahira, also look at the screen. Zahira, come. Now, they say these two lines are this is a square. This is a square. Although when I scan it, it doesn't look like a square. So these two are the same. So this is an isosceles triangle. This side must be 70 also. But don't assume this is 70, this is 70. Don't assume that. We got to do step by step. Find out what is this. So 180 minus 70 minus 70. What do you get? You get 40. As what Princess Sophia says, 40 down here. So now this is 90 degrees, Sophia. What is this angle now? Down here, this angle. What is this angle? This is 90, what?
That's 50.
This is 40. What is 50? Good. So now
50.
these two, and this two is also isosceles. Because if this is the same as this is the same as this is a square. So this and this are also isosceles but different sides. So take 180 minus 50. What do you get? 130. 130 divided by 2, you get these two angles here. You get 65. So Rahana, you get it. You got it by luck, eh? Because if you put 45 here, this is a different answer. But do you all get it? Do you understand? Is it difficult? It's not difficult. Yeah, it's not difficult, right?
Yeah.
But it requires you not to be lazy. Say this 70. You got to work it out. PSLE is not difficult, but it's a little bit tricky. But if you write it down, your challenge now is you don't have the paper before you, so it's more difficult because of that. You have that paper.
I have that book inside my school. We use that.
Oh, okay. Well done.
Same.
Okay, now we go.
Mr. Shaheed,
So yes,
Mr. Shaheed, you know this
yes.
line?
So you know the answer. Yeah.
No.
Oh
I
my
have to
goodness,
let
are you
go.
eating all that?
No, Mr. Shaheed, look this one, right? Then now it was right here. Then now it's right here.
And so much. Allahu Akbar. And you're not having your dinner.
I
This
did.
is my dinner. Oh, okay. You did. Okay, let me see. You're still hungry. Okay, can we try the next one? Question 15. This is rate. Rate, you studied in P5.
I thought we don't need to do this.
No, you don't need to do speed. But rate is coming out, right?
Oh yeah.
Rate is primary 5 topic. Oh my goodness, it sounds so delicious.
Huh?
It sounds so delicious the way you're eating it. I will recommend you to act in a commercial. People will surely buy your keropok, you know. Okay, there's a few ways of doing it. You can do the long way, no problem. You can do the long way. See, what is the long way? Okay, I'll show you a few ways later. Shafika, what's your answer for this, Shafika? Can you do? You can put a timing down, 9, and you can go that way, no problem. It's only one day, so no problem. Anybody? Oh my goodness. Why? What big mouth you have, Grandma?
What?
No, you can look at Sophia. She's just showing
said
her
my
very big
name.
mouth she has.
You say my name.
Huh? No, I say Grandma. I didn't see your name. I say, what big mouth you have, Grandma? So better to bite the
So
keropok.
I don't know what to do.
Okay, come, we do together then. Okay, we do together.
Wait,
all right.
I'm trying.
Okay, you're trying. Good. Okay, keep trying for a while.
Wait, I know how to do.
Good. Try.
Is it have to 1,000 times 6, right?
1,000 times 6, yes, then 6,000. That's for 6 hours.
Wait. Yeah. Well, no, actually, minus 6 minus 2 first, right? Because
What do I have
start
to do?
11, right?
Okay, we will do, yes. If we start with 11, yes.
So then 1,000 times 4 hours, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
How you give up already? See,
No.
whatever.
Is the
Okay,
answer two?
answer is 2. Okay,
Wait.
maybe 2.
This is Shaheed.
Yes.
Tak apalah. I give up.
Okay, I'm going to explain to you. Can
My
I?
answer two.
Answer is 2. Shafika, what's your answer? No answer.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Okay, so now it starts at 9 a.m. Every 6 hours, it has to break for 1 hour. So this is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, yeah? So 6 hours later, what time is it? 9 a.m. 6 hours later, what time? We count now. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2,
1
3.
o'clock.
3 p.m.
1 o'clock.
Not 1 o'clock.
Eh?
Why 1 o'clock? 10,
So-
11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So now here, okay, 6 hours, correct? You times by 1,000 copies, you get 6,000 copies. All right, 6,000 copies. And then from 3 to 4, must take a rest. Just like you all, you need to take a rest. So no copies. Start again at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. until 6 hours later. What time? 6 hours later, what time? Sophia, what time is 6 hours later?
10.
10 p.m. Good, Shafika. So again, 6 hours means 6,000. Again, another 6,000 copies, right? So now we start from here, 10 p.m. 10 p.m. This will reach until 12 midnight, 12 a.m. This is 2 hours, right? But we continue another 4 hours because they need to go for 6 hours. So 12, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Right until 4 a.m. This is now Wednesday. 6 hours again. Times by 1,000. 6,000 copies. Then the rest, 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. must rest. Nothing here. 5 a.m. till what time? 6 hours later. What time? Anyone knows? Did I count correctly?
11 p.m.
11
So
a.m.
isn't it from 9
11
to, so isn't it from 9 to 1 o'clock already 6 hours? Then later it take a 1 hour rest until
Oh, sorry. This okay. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, okay, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12, 1, 2, 3, right? 6 hours, correct. Break 1 hour. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much, Rayana. Thank you. 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Rest again. No. So this one must be from 11. 11 to 12 is only 1 hour here. And then you must reach to 5 a.m. Okay, I repeat. I forgot to put the rest time. 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. 1 hour rest. So start again at 11 p.m. 11 to 12 is 1 hour only. Then you need another 5 hours. Become 5 a.m. Right? 5 a.m. So 5 a.m. again you get 6,000. So 5 to 6 a.m. No rest also. So from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. How many hours? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 hours only. So 5,000. So we add lah. Okay, 6,000. Okay, we count how many 6,000 there. 1, 6,000. 2, 6,000. 3, 6,000. And then 3 times 6,000 is how much? 6,000 times 3.
I don't understand.
Okay, I'll come again. 18,000 plus 5,000 is 23,000. Okay, so now we start again. Sophia, you understand? You start at 9 a.m. The machine works for 6 hours. Reach 3 p.m. It can print 1 hour, 1,000, 6 hours, 6,000. This part you understand? Understand, huh? They take a rest, you understand, 1 hour? Every 6 hours must run good. They start again at 4 p.m. You go for 6 hours. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 hours. Another 6,000. 6,000, 6,000, 12,000 already. Rest at 10 p.m. for 1 hour. 10 to 11. Start again from 11. But now there's a 24-hour clock. 11 p.m., 1 more hour become midnight. So now becomes 1 hour here. You must plus 5 hours from 12 midnight. So 11 to 12, 1 hour. Then 12 to 1, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 hours. So reach 5 a.m., another 6,000. This part, do you understand? You don't get this one, you won't get it. That means now from 11, okay, we look at the timing. We look at the timing. We look at timing. 11 p.m., then 12 midnight, then 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Can you see? 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Now we got to go 1 hour. Here, 1 hour. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Can you see? So 5 a.m., another 6,000. So now there's 6,000 now. 6,000 times 3, 18,000 copies so far. That's at 5 a.m. Now 5 to 6, rest 1 more hour. And then start at 6 a.m. Let's count how many hours. 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 5 hours only. So 5 hours times 1,000, 5,000. This is the last one, 5,000. So add all of them together. 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 5,000, 23,000. Okay? You want a shorter way? I give you a shortcut method. You don't need to do all this. You don't need to do all this, okay? Very simple. You count the number of hours from 9 a.m. Tuesday to Wednesday, 11 a.m. How many hours is there? Look, 9, 20, you know what's 24 hours? Not 24 hours. 1 whole day. So now, if you do not know 9 a.m. Tuesday to 9 a.m. Wednesday, this is 24 hours.
I
Right?
did it wrong.
Okay. You did it wrong. Okay, okay, okay. If you,
Why? Cause I get very confused with the 24-hour time and the.
okay. Okay, then I tell you, why don't we do another question? I'll write this question on the board, you try. Same question, okay. But now the machine printed from 10 p.m. on Monday until until 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Can you find how many copies printed? Shafika, are you there, Shafika?
Yeah.
Can do not this one. You understand the question?
Mm.
But how many per hour?
1,000. Same question. Same and only the timing is different. Same as this one. Same as this. Only the timing is different.
Can I look at the board?
Yeah, sure.
Is it 10 p.m.?
10 p.m. Yes, this is 10 p.m. Yeah, right. 10. If you understand this method, you can use this method. It might be easier then. Use a method you understand. I think I better not confuse you with another method.
What must we find?
You want to find how many copies do they print? 1 hour, 1,000. But every 6 hours, 1 hour rest. Every 6 hours, 1 hour rest. Same
6
like
hours.
this.
6 hours means 1,000. 6,000 copy.
Yeah. Then you must rest 1 hour. Sophia, you got the answer, Sophia?
No.
Rest also must count the timing also.
Yeah, why don't you rest? You must count the timing because
What's
that
the
1
time?
hour cannot print
Until what time?
until next day 11 p.m. Tuesday. You start at 10, finish at 11.
Is it 22,000? 2200?
Congratulations, I believe is correct. But let us go through in a moment.
So,
Rahana, how you get 22 or something else?
okay. Con. So I got 8,000.
8,000. Okay, from 10 to midnight is really 2. Then it goes to 4. First 6 hours on Monday, maybe your problem is your 24, your midnight calculation, you're confused. That's why. So you try see what's your down here now. Okay, let's say they start Monday 10 p.m. 6 hours later, what time is it, Rayana?
Midnight 10 p.m.
Midnight 10 p.m. Monday. So now 10 p.m. Monday, 6 hours later, what time is it?
10
10 p.m. is 10 at night, no?
midnight.
Midnight is after 2 hours. Okay, you see, 10. After that, 1 hour later is 11. Correct, not? 1 hour later, what time? 12, right? But this 12 is not 12 p.m. no, 12 a.m. After 12 a.m., 1 hour later, what time is it, Rayana?
Okay, 1 hour later is 1.
1 a.m. Good. Then see from here to here is 1 hour, 2 hours, then 3 hours. You want 6 hours, no? So what time?
And after that is an hour past 1.
Okay, so an hour past 1, what time is it?
2.
2. Okay, then after that, it's 4 hours today. 1 hour after 2, what time is that?
Hour after 2 is 3 a.m.
3. And then the last
The
one is
hantu
4.
time.
Hantu time, so people praying time. Now down here.
Huh?
So 6, yes. You know, some Muslims, they wake up early in the hours in the morning to pray. You can ask Shafika and Sophia.
I pray. Sometimes only.
Wow. What do you call that prayer?
Solat hajat.
Solat hajat. Oh, I thought
I
they
just
call it
started like yesterday.
yesterday. Okay. So Rahana, can you see now?
No Christian people scared.
Okay, that is a different belief. Okay, now see. 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. So at 4 a.m., they completed 6 hours of printing, which is 6,000. 6 hours times 1,000 is 6,000. And then remember, from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m., no printing, must rest. No printing. Start again down here, 5 a.m. So Rahana, 5 a.m. to what time? To what time will be another 6 hours? You press plus
6
6.
hours is
11
11.
a.m. So this is another 6,000. 6,000 copies. Then 11 a.m. to 12 noon, again, no printing. So you start at 12 noon. 12 p.m. to what time? Will be another 6 hours. 12 to plus 6. 12 plus 6? No, I mean, 12 is considered 12 noon, right? The next hour is 1.
6
p.m. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down here, another 6,000 copies. Remember, 6 to 7 p.m., no printing. Now you start again at 7 until 11. So 7 p.m. to 11, how many hours is that? 7 to 11. You go
4.
to 7, 4 hours. So 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. So 4,000 plus 6,000 plus another 6,000 plus another 6,000 is what Shafika says, 22,000. Okay, we will stop here. We have not started section B. So what I suggest you can do. Sorry? Okay, I need to go now because it's 8:15. You have another lesson. So we will end here. I'll see you on Sunday at 2:30. We'll do section B of the say. If you have the paper, do it at home. You do it at home if you can. Okay.
But that one's
Assalamualaikum.
schoolwork.
Okay. Never mind. Okay. Then you do on a piece of paper. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Take care. Bye bye.